Hi guys, my name is Deep Turing Lecture and I would like to welcome you to the short video tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to implement a basic security in a router so that no other one can have the access of your own router. So let's dive in. Again, I'm going to open up my secure CRT console so that I can configure my router. But before even getting into the configuration mode, let's see, I'm going to hit enter and there you can see the user exit mode, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type enable to get into the privilege mode. This is known as privilege execution mode, and then I'm going to go to global configuration mode. That means configure terminal. Till from user exit mode to global configuration mode, my router is not secure, so anyone can log in and then anyone can see the running configuration, anyone can actually view the interfaces information or details of the router, because he can actually have an access of, let's say, the running configuration and the startup configuration. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to secure my router with basic password so that no one can ever get the access of privilege mode, right? So let's secure our mode. So I'm going to exit it from here. I'm going to exit it from here again. Let's see again. I'm going to show you. You are in user exit mode. Type enable. When you type enable, no password has been prompted over there, right? So the router is not asking any kind of password to you. But what I'm going to do is when I'm going to type enable, it should ask me password to get to the privilege mode, right? So until and unless I type password, I'm not going to get the access of privilege mode. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to secure privilege exit mode, let's say. So I'm going to go to global configuration mode, and then the basic command is enable and then password, and then let's say I'm going to type the password as Cisco. So that means when you're going to type enable in the user exit mode, the Cisco router is going to ask you the password, and then you're going to type this password. So this is a simple command that is actually being applied on global configuration mode. So my password is applied on this router, so I'm going to exit it and I'm going to save the configuration. But before even saving the configuration, I need to show you something. Show running configuration. There you can see the password is being wrote on the running configuration. That means I typed this command, right? Enable password Cisco. So your password is being clearly seen on the running configuration. What if I go to the startup config? That means the NVRAM. I haven't saved anything, right? Let's say AAA model, just above AAA model there is enable password. So if I'm going to run show startup configuration, that means the NVRAM configuration, there's nothing over here because I haven't saved this configuration. So what I'm going to do is copy running config and then startup config. That means I'm going to copy all those things from RAM to NVRAM. So I'm going to hit enter and then hit enter again to save in the startup configuration. And now I'm going to verify show startup config. That means I'm going to verify whether my command is saved on NVRAM or not. I'm going to hit enter. There you can see my password is saved over there. So how my router is secured, let's say I'm going to exit from privilege mode. Now I have access to the user exit mode, but I'm going to enable, and then when I'm going to hit enter, it asks me the password. That means the basic security has been implemented on your router and it's secure now. No one can ever get the access of privilege mode until and unless he's going to define the password or mention the password over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type the password CISCO and then hit enter. There you can see now you have got the access of, let's say, the privilege exit mode. So this is how you actually implement a basic security in your router by using enable password. So this is it for this video. I'm going to meet you on my next video, so please like, share and then subscribe. Thank you, guys.